Ever wondered why yawning is so contagious? It's not just because you're tired. When you see someone yawn, your brain gets tricked into thinking you need more oxygen. Your brain is like, hey, everyone's doing it, I should too. It's all thanks to something called mirror neurons, tiny brain cells that mimic what we see others do. Friend 1, seriously, why can't you stop yawning? Friend 2, I don't even feel tired. Fun fact, yawning also cools down your brain. So, it's like your body's natural air conditioner. Next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's just your brain trying to stay cool and fit in. Science is everywhere, even in your yawns. Stay curious. Please like, share and subscribe.